And I'm cutting down on this baseboard, just rough cutting it in here.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to be painting the base after the wall finish is on.
Right.
And then I'll cut in the base on the final. And then that'll be one coat on the base. I think I've already got a coat on there already.
Well, that's a good question. If you're using pre-primed PDF baseboard, MDF, I mean,
Yeah.
do you generally put 2 coats of finished paint on that, or
Yeah,
do you?
2 coats of finish.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So if somebody was installing MDF base first time, what's the process?
I would pre-paint the base before it goes in.
Pre-paint it 1 coat,
Actually,
or 2 coats. Do you
put
do?
2 coats on.
Oh, okay.
And then come back when it's installed.
Yeah.
And then do the nail holes and then use the caulking, which has a little gloss or a shine finish on the caulking, so you don't see the dull mark on the baseboard after you caulk it.
So you put just one little bit of caulking on there? Okay.
One straight thin bead.
Yeah. I mean, over the nail holes, because sometimes they pucker, but not very much.
On the nail holes, I've been using a different product.
Oh, what have you been
It's
using?
called Patch and Prime. It's a sealer and a patch all in one, so you don't have to seal the nail holes after you put the patch on, the patching compound. It's a patch and prime all in one, 3M.
Patch and prime.
Yeah, patch and prime.
You cover the nail holes so you're not using caulking on the nail holes?
No,
Okay, but if you do that, if you got two coats of paint on the MDF,
yeah.
then how does this patch and prime work?
The sealing all.
You just apply it onto the hole and then wipe it off.
Yeah?
And usually you don't even have to sand it, then you come back and just touch up the base.
Oh, touch up the base with paintbrush.
Paint, yeah. And
Okay.
then you don't have to prime it.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So that's one factor with
All right.
the new products are always coming out to make it a little easier to paint and the homeowner and whatever.
Yep.